Good morning, children. Today, let us study something new. Actually, we are going to start the second chapter in your book, that is acid, bases and salts. Before studying about these terms, you are all familiar with these terms, I know. Before start studying about this, let us study about a new term called indicator. Children, are you familiar with the term indicator? Yes, indicator means the substance which indicate the nature. The substance which is used to indicate the nature, that is, in our case, it indicates whether the given thing is acidic, basic or neutral by showing a change in color. Is it clear? So, indicators are defined as the substances which are used to indicate the nature of a substance, whether it is acidic, basic or neutral by showing a color change. Okay, let us pass through some of the indicators. The first one, let us consider litmus solution. Litmus is a purple colored dye. It is a purple colored dye which is obtained from a variety of plant called thallophyte. Okay, and this litmus solution is of two types. It is red litmus solution as well as blue litmus solution. Generally, we can say that acids will be turning blue colored solution to red and bases turns red colored litmus solution to blue. Is it clear? This litmus is available in the paper in the form of strips also. We will be having two types of strips, that is blue litmus and red litmus. On both these things are available in lab. We will see it afterwards. Okay, second one, let us consider phenolphthalein. Phenolphthalein, we can say that it is an organic dye. Phenolphthalein is an organic indicator which is generally colorless in nature in acidic as well as neutral medium. It will give you a colorless nature in acidic and neutral medium, but it turns to pink color in basic medium. It gives you a pink color in basic medium. Let us consider the third indicator as methyl orange. The third indicator we consider methyl orange, which is having an orange color in neutral medium, and it gives a red color in acidic medium and yellow color in basic medium. Is it clear, children? These are some of the common indicators. In addition to this, we are having certain other indicators like red cabbage juice. These are natural indicators. Red cabbage juice, turmeric, etc. act as indicators. Turmeric, it gives a yellow color in acidic as well as in neutral medium, but when you wash this turmeric stain with soap, you can see that it turns to reddish brown in color. So in basic medium, it will give you a reddish brown color. And this red cabbage juice possesses a green color in basic medium and it has a red color in acidic medium. Is it clear, children, what are indicators? So indicators means the things which are used to indicate the nature of a substance, whether it is acidic, basic or neutral by a color change. And in addition to this, there are certain other substances which shows a change in smell when the medium changes. And these type of indicators which shows a change in smell, change in odor when the medium changes are termed as olfactory indicators. This year in 2020 board exam, this question was asked, what are olfactory indicators with examples. So olfactory indicators means indicators which shows the change in medium by showing a change in color. For example, we can consider onion, clove oil, or you can consider vanilla, that is the essence. These are all examples for olfactory indicators. Is it clear, children? So we have studied about two types of indicators. The common indicators shows or indicates the medium by showing a change in color, and olfactory indicators indicate the medium by changing the smell. Is it clear? Now let us start with the term acids. Okay, children, can you tell me what are acids? Yes, the substances which possesses a sour taste. That is, that if you just consider citrus fruits generally contains acids and they possess a sour taste. Or we can say that if you just consider tamarind also contains acid, or tomatoes or curd. In all these cases, we can see the presence of acids and they all possesses a sour taste. But are we able to define acids by that term? No, that's not possible, since we are having certain that is dangerous compounds also under this, like sulfuric acid. Sulfuric acid, is it possible for us to find out the nature by No. That means we have to find out a proper definition for acid. So children, listen here. Let us consider certain compounds. First you consider hydrochloric acid. Hydrochloric acid undergoes ionization, or when it dissociates into ions, you can see that you will get H plus and Cl minus. Or if you just consider sulfuric acid, it undergoes ionization in aqueous form and you will get hydrogen ions and sulfate radical. Or you consider phosphoric acid, H3PO4, in aqueous form. It produces 3H plus and PO4 3 minus. Or you consider formic acid, methanoic acid, undergoes ionization and it produces H plus and COOH minus. Okay, so we can say that in all these cases, here we can see the presence of, that is if you consider CH3COO or you consider CH3COOH, this also in the aqueous form undergoes ionization and you will get CH3COO minus and H plus. Or you consider oxalic acid, that is H2C2O4, in the aqueous form undergoes ionization and produces C2O42 minus and 2H plus. Children, I have given here so many examples for acids all in aqueous form. Here you can see that all of them when undergoes ionization, it produces hydrogen ions. So this is common. Whether it is one or more hydrogen ion, every compound is producing here hydrogen ions. So we can define acid are substances which are able to release one or more hydrogen ions in aqueous solution. Is it clear, children? Acids are defined as substances, or they are compounds which are able to release one or more. It can be one, minimum one is there. Okay, one or more hydrogen ions in aqueous solution. Okay, now this acids, let me divide it into two types. If you consider HCl, H2SO4 or H3PO4, these are acids which we can synthesize in lab, or it is obtained from minerals and therefore they are termed as mineral acids. On the other hand, the acids like methanoic acid, or you consider ethanoic acid, that is formic acid, acetic acid, oxalic acid, these are all obtained from plants or animals. Actually they are organic in nature, so they are termed as organic acids. Acids we divide it into two types. The acids which can be manufactured in the lab, which can be synthesized in the lab, are termed as mineral acids, and which is obtained from the living things are considered as organic acids. Okay, these acids we can again divide it into two types. Suppose if you consider HCl or H2SO4, this produces, if 10 molecules of hydrochloric acid, you add it in water, all the 10 molecules undergoes ionization to the same extent and it produces 10 hydrogen ions and 10 chloride ions. This type of acids which undergoes ionization fast are termed as strong acids. They are called strong acids. But on the other hand, you consider formic acid or ethanoic acid, this undergoes ionization very slow and they are termed as weak acids, or we can say that they will not be undergoing complete ionization. Is it clear, children? What are acids and the type of acids? So we consider the compound which can produce one or more hydrogen ions in aqueous form is termed as acids, and first we classify them into mineral acid and organic acid. At the same time again we classify them into strong and weak acids. Is it clear, children? Okay, now let's the properties of acids, we'll study it in next class. Thank you.